You will see I'm holding full left rudder.
Okay.
And the nose is not steering, so I give it a little bit of differential braking as well.
Okay.
Sometimes you got to do that in a Cessna also, and this one it's even more pronounced. I'll let you taxi once I get it more or less lined up here. All right, go ahead.
Aircraft.
You can see how sloppy it feels, the linkage, I guess.
Yeah, it does.
Is it a caster style nose wheel?
Yeah, basically. There's no, I don't think there's any linkage whatsoever to it, not even a bungee system like on a 172. Oaks Tower, Diamond Star, 349er Alpha Foxtrot, holding short, 17 right at Charlie, ready for departure.
Diamond Star, 349er Alpha Foxtrot, Hooks Tower, runway 17 right at Charlie, cleared for takeoff, southbound departure approved.
Cleared for takeoff, 17 right at Charlie, southbound departure, 349er Alpha Foxtrot. All ready to roll?
Sir.
All right. Throttle's coming up. You go ahead and get the flaps up for me.
Yes, sir.
Bringing the manifold pressure back so I can get the prop slowed down. Down to 2400. That's the recommended max when you're not taking off.
9 Alpha Foxtrot, you clear to enter Houston class Bravo airspace, maintain VFR out of below 2000, fly present heading, join I-10 eastbound.
Present heading to join I-10 eastbound, cleared into class Bravo out of below 2000, 349er Alpha Foxtrot.
Flex F424.
If you're ready to fly,
Yeah, sir.
you have the aircraft.
Aircraft.
How does it feel?
Oh, it feels nice. Yes, sir.
01 Houston departure, radar contact.
Easy, not too much. You have to do just straight level here.
Yeah. Your throttle on this with a constant speed prop is actually controlling manifold pressure. The prop lever controls the RPM. It's prop on top. You always want this number higher than this number. So if this is 24.0, you want this lower than 2400. All right, just follow down I-10 here.
Yes, sir.
Don't want to work too far to the right because you start getting into Hobby's surface class Bravo. And the control will start freaking out. Galveston Tower, Diamond Star, 349er Alpha Foxtrot, VFR 1,300, 15 miles north, inbound for a full stop, negative on the weather.
349 Alpha Foxtrot, Galveston Tower, Main Street, runway 18, wind 16012, altimeter 3003.
Okay, we'll plan for straight in runway 18, 3003, 349er Alpha Foxtrot. I'm going to bring the throttle back a little bit.
Alpha Foxtrot, runway 18, cleared to land, wind 18013.
Okay, copy, clear to land, runway 18, 349er Alpha Foxtrot. Flaps to landing now. Thank you.
Landing, yes, sir.
Go prop to full RPM just in case you have to go around. And now I'm just going to let her drop in. About doing a slip. Wheel.
Very nice.
9 Alpha Foxtrot, turn left, taxiway Delta, taxi to the ramp.
Left to Delta, taxi to park, 349 Alpha Foxtrot. And we touched down at 10:45. About a 40-minute flight.
Gosh, that was gorgeous.
Oh, perfect timing. Clear. You can go ahead and put your feet up and taxi a little bit. We're going to take off. We're going to go up the beach towards the Pleasure Pier for briefly, and then we'll head back to the north.
Diamond Star 90 Foxtrot, runway 18, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 18, Diamond Star 349 Alpha Foxtrot. Throttle's coming up.
Airport 3, go sir.
The Pleasure Pier off towards the horizon. Turn left, turn left.
Just gorgeous.
Yeah, very cool.
That brown water.
Yeah, super pretty. Oh, that cruise ship ahead is awesome.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Anyway, Pleasure Pier.
Gosh, looks like a model from up here.
All right, you can go ahead and put your hand on the controls there, and you have the aircraft.
Yep.
My camera died on me again.
Man,
Backside's
why does
working.
Bryce gets his fame of flying? It says not today.
Yeah, wonder if it overheated or what.
And every time I'm in a small aircraft like this, it just confirms, like, I'm so excited to be able to do this for a career.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Well, this camera's still working and recording our communications. How does it feel?
It's great. It's much lighter than I thought it would be.
Yeah, it doesn't take a whole lot to get it where you want it to go. This plane, it looks nose down whenever it's flying level. It'll be like it shows about 2.5 to 3 degrees nose down for level flight. You can also do this. And
Oh man, that's awesome.
it's nice because then it's easier for you to see that, but then I lose my situational awareness on like other traffic and the weather and everything that was shown out there. Route of flight. You can see some gas flare-offs over there at that refinery.
Yeah, wow.
When you fly over those, you can actually you'll feel it rise up. Wait till it gets almost to our wingtip.
That's awesome.
Okay, you can make a turn to the left.
Number 50 Whiskey, descend and maintain 4,000.
Down to 4,000, 50 Whiskey.
Julie Golf, Houston approach to Houston altimeter 2900. 797 X-ray contact approach on 124.22.
Keep it on the road.
4240.
Trying to take video.
Airport 12 o'clock.
Sorry.
Flight 424, clear visual approach runway 17, contact Airline Tower 118.65.
Flying in Florida, we hit them up so good, I literally dropped my phone.
Little bitty raindrops hitting the windshield.
Gosh, the graphics are turned up really high on this simulation.
This is next level VR motion platform.
I've never seen a better frame rate.
Yeah.
Hooks Tower, Diamond Star, 349er Alpha Foxtrot, 8 miles south of VFR at 1,300, inbound for a full stop, negative ATIS.
November 349er Alpha Foxtrot, Hooks Tower, and right downwind, runway 17 right, Hooks wind 170 at 6, altimeter 29er.
Right downwind for runway 17 right, 29er, Diamond Star 349er Alpha Foxtrot. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take the controls. I have the aircraft.
November 4323 Romeo, Hooks Tower Squad.
Got the airport in sight. It's at 1230, light green patch.
Yep.
Okay, there's my pattern altitude. Slowing down. Get the flaps to take off for me, please.
Just to take off?
Okay.
Diamond 9 Alpha Foxtrot, traffic ahead to your right, turning 3/4 mile finals to Tower. Do you have them in sight?
Yes.
Inside 349er Alpha Foxtrot.
Turn 9 Alpha Foxtrot, number 2, following that traffic, runway 17 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, number 2, following traffic, 17 right, 349er Alpha Foxtrot.
Alright, we'll go ahead and get back on right base.
Hey, give me flaps to landing,
right,
please.
Number 3, 20 Romeo.
Flaps to landing. Oh. To show that runway who's boss. Oaks ground, Diamond Star, 349er Alpha Foxtrot, clear the runway, taxi to Texas flight.
Diamond Star 349 Alpha Foxtrot, ground taxi, Texas flight via Echo Juliet.
Echo Juliet, Texas flight, 349er Alpha Foxtrot. Oh, yeah, there's some nasty weather up that way. I'm glad the weather held up for us.
Yeah, definitely. Was better than I was expecting.
Yeah, definitely. I'm just gonna stop right here. Park and brake. Set. Engine is 3300.3. Throttle is at 1000 RPM. Mixture lean. Alright, you can take your headset off. Ignition switch coming off, master coming off.